Hello everyone, I'm Abdul Hadi. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to connect your Twitter account to your Notion workspace to save tweets and threads to Notion. So to start off, you have to go to Save to Notion Twitter account, go to the pinned thread. This thread actually has all the information you need to connect and use Save to Notion. So we click on it. The first step is duplicate a database and connect that database. So we'll duplicate the database. We click on the database link. Alright, now we click on duplicate. It will ask you to log in and then choose the workspace you want, but it did all this to me. It duplicated it in my workspace. Here it is. Now this database is now in your workspace. It's yours now. Yeah, we can find it here. It's in your workspace. Now the next step is actually to connect that database. So you have to send /connect to save to Notion. Go and send /connect. I'm not gonna send that. I did it before and I received this message. Actually, you have to wait like for 1 or 2 minutes to receive the message. So you will have a connection link. You click on it. And here it will show you your workspace. You can choose the workspace from here. It shows the same workspace you duplicated the tweets database earlier. Go to select pages and you will have to click on the tweets database. Let's see if you did not click on it, or if you did not find it, I will show you the error that will happen. Yeah, it will tell you that you don't have a database named tweets. Although you have it, but you did not actually connect it to save to Notion. So it will suggest that you duplicate the database and then connect it again. We actually duplicated it earlier, so we don't have to duplicate it again. But I will show you how it will be connected successfully now. And if you couldn't find your tweets database here for any reason, you can solve this in 2 ways. The first way is to actually search for tweets. Search for the database and click on it and then allow access. Or if you even couldn't find it here, you can go to the tweets database where we duplicated earlier and go to share and search for save to Notion Twitter bot. Invite it and make sure you give it an edit permission. Then you will find it here and you will find it clicked. Now you can allow access. And yeah, it's connected successfully now. You can save tweets and threads using Save to Notion now. In the next short video, I will show you how to actually save tweets and threads to Notion using 2 easy methods. See ya!